Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox and install a GPU support bracket, the MHQJRH. So here's the box. Looks pretty nice. And let's take a look inside. So it looks like we have a customer service card, which we are going to put to the side. And we have three parts here. According to the description, this part is called the non-slip base. And this part is called the adjustable support module, and this is called a hand twisting long pillar. So three parts. So it looks like the non-slip base is 4.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Next we have our long pillar, which is, I would say, about 19 centimeters. Next we have our adjustable support module, which looks like it is 1.75 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So let's put it together. We just have to take our long pillar, screw it into the non-slip base, and then we can grab our adjustable support module. So we probably want our non-slip surface on the facing upward. And then we just unscrew it and screw it to tighten. So pretty simple. Now let me get you the maximum height in case you were wondering. So from the bottom all the way to the top, looks like this can support, it can go up to 20 centimeters, it looks like. Yep, 20 centimeters. Now let's weigh it. Looks like it is 84 grams. Next, let's open up our computer. So we are going to use it to support an old RX580. So I think it'll depend on your graphics card. So let me show you guys. I also grabbed a small level to show you guys how uneven it is, since it was hard to align my camera. So as you can see here in the center, the bubble is all the way on the left. We kind of want it toward the center here. So now, let me remove that. Let's unplug our graphics card, the PCIe or the 6+2. And then let me grab... So I think I'm going to put it over here. Around that area. I think, like I said earlier, it depends on your graphics card. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to put the level, and then I'm going to have our support bracket, and I'm going to put it underneath the graphics card. I'm going to lift it up, and it looks like I'm going to try to center it. As you can see, the bubble there is kind of centered. It doesn't have to be perfect in my opinion. To be honest, I don't think you even need the level. So we're just going to tighten the screw, and once it's good to go, yeah, it looks much better. So let me flip this over just in case. Yep, definitely looks a lot better than it was before. And you know, it's supporting the GPU now, so I'm not too worried about it ruining the motherboard. And we can plug back in our PCIe or the 6+2, and I'm just gonna add a Funko Pop. But I hope this video gives you a better idea of you know, what it is. It's actually my first time doing it, so I hope this video helps you out. Thank you everybody for watching. Take it easy.